Alright, so you tell yourself, tomorrow I'm gonna wake up at 5 a.m. and be super productive. And then, tomorrow comes, and you hit snooze like your life depends on it. Sound familiar? Trust me, I've been there. Waking up early is one of those things that sounds great in theory, but feels impossible in practice. And the problem isn't just waking up, it's staying consistent so that waking up early becomes effortless. But here's the good news. Waking up early isn't about willpower, it's about systems. In this video, I'll break down a foolproof way to wake up early without hating your life and actually make it a lasting habit. Let's dive in. Step 1. Fix your nighttime routine. The first mistake people make is focusing too much on the morning and ignoring the night before. If you're scrolling through TikTok at 2 a.m. and then expecting to wake up at 5 a.m. refreshed, yeah, not gonna happen. But if you wind down properly, put your phone away, relax, and get enough sleep, you'll wake up feeling way more refreshed and ready to go. Step 2. Give yourself a reason to wake up. Here's a harsh truth. If you don't have a reason to wake up, your bed will always win. Think of the last time you woke up super early for a flight or an exciting trip. You didn't struggle to get up, right? That's because you had something to look forward to. So ask yourself, why do you want to wake up early? Is it to work on a passion project, get in shape, read more books? The stronger your reason, the easier it is to get out of bed. And if you don't have a reason, create one. Add something enjoyable to your morning routine, something you actually look forward to. Give yourself a small win before work. Maybe a good cup of coffee, listening to your favorite music, a podcast you love, or even a quick workout to boost your energy. It doesn't have to be anything big, just something that makes the morning feel less like a chore. That way, you're not just dragging yourself out of bed for the sake of it. You're starting the day with something enjoyable. Step 3. Make it physically hard to snooze. Let's be honest, when your alarm is right next to you, hitting snooze is way too easy. So, make it inconvenient. Try placing your alarm across the room so you have to physically get up to turn it off. You can also try the out-of-bed rule. Once your feet touch the floor, you're not allowed to crawl back in bed. It's a simple but effective way to stop the endless snooze cycle. Step 4. Build the habit gradually. Here's where most people go wrong. They try to jump straight from waking up at 9 a.m. to 5 a.m. overnight. And that's like going from never running to trying a marathon on day 1. Your body will fight back. Instead, use the 15-minute rule. Move your wake-up time 15 minutes earlier every 3 days until you hit your target. This gradual shift makes the habit stick. Remember, waking up early isn't about willpower. It's about creating systems that make it easy. Once you get this right, you won't just wake up early, you'll actually enjoy it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below. And if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button for more videos like this. See you in the next one.